Have you ever walked into a workplace so clean, organized, and efficient that everything just flows perfectly? Chances are they are following something called 5S, a cornerstone of lean manufacturing and workplace excellence. In today's video, we will break down what 5S really means, the 5 steps that make it work, how you can apply it anywhere from factory floor to your office desk, and why it is one of the most powerful tools for productivity and quality improvement. The 5S system is a Japanese workplace organization method developed as a part of the Toyota production system. The goal? To create a workplace where efficiency, safety, and quality all improve by simply maintaining order and discipline. Each S represents one of the 5 Japanese words: Seiri, Seiton, Seiso, Seiketsu, Shitsuke. In English, they mean sort, straighten, shine, standardize, and sustain. Together, these form a continuous improvement cycle that makes work easier, faster, and more consistent. Think of 5S as Marie Kondo meeting industrial engineering. Removing waste, organizing tools, and setting up visual systems so that everyone knows what goes where instantly. Seiri, or sort. Pardon my Japanese pronunciation. The first step is sort. Remove unnecessary items from your workplace. Anything that does not contribute directly to your work. Ask yourself, do I need this to perform my job effectively? If not, discard, donate, or store it elsewhere. Example, on a production line, unused jigs or broken tools are removed to free up space. In an office, it could mean decluttering your files, folders, and even digital desktop. The goal? Only what's essential stays. Seiton, set in order or straighten. Once you have sorted what's needed, it's time to organize it for efficiency. That's where straighten or set in order comes in. Everything should have a designated place, and that place should make sense. Frequently used tools, keep them close. Rarely used ones, store them farther away. A tip would be use labels, shadow boards, and color codes so that anyone can find and return tools instantly. For example, in factories, wrenches are hung on boards shaped like their outline. In kitchens, knives could be arranged by size and purpose. Key idea here is to have a place for everything and have everything in its place. Seiso, or shine. The third S is shine, which literally means cleaning the workplace. But it's more than just cleaning for appearance, it's cleaning for inspection. When workers clean, they notice leaks, cracks, or wears easily. That helps prevent machine breakdowns and improves safety. Example, operators at Toyota clean their machines at the start of every shift, not janitors, because they know their machines best. The lesson here would be cleaning builds ownership and pride in one's workspace. Seiketsu, or standardize. The fourth step, standardize, means making the first 3 steps part of a daily routine. Create checklists, visual schedules, or standard operating procedures. Document what organized looks like so everyone follows the same process. Example, post photos of how each workstation should look when properly organized. Use color codes or floor markings to guide placement. Standardization ensures that clean and organized stays that way. Finally, we reach sustain, the most challenging step. This is where discipline, training, and habit comes into play. Employees must practice the 5S steps until they become second nature. Tools would be regular audits, rewards for good housekeeping, and visual scoreboards. The key message would be 5S is not a one-time cleanup. It's a culture of continuous improvement. So, why is 5S so critical? Because a well-organized workspace directly impacts productivity, safety, quality, and morale. For productivity, there's less time wasted searching for tools. For safety, fewer hazards and accidents. For quality, clean environments lead to fewer defects. For morale, people take pride in an organized workplace. And when combined with other lean tools like Kaizen, Kanban, and value stream mapping, 5S becomes the foundation for total operational excellence. Example, a manufacturing plant can improve productivity by 30% and reduce downtime by 20% within 3 months of implementing 5S. Now, implementing 5S in your workplace. You are ready to get started. Here's your step-by-step plan. Firstly, form a 5S team. Include people from all departments. Pick a pilot area. Don't start everywhere at once. Train everyone on the 5S principles. Run a 5S event. Declutter, organize, label, and clean. Audit and improve continuously. You can even gamify the process. Run competitions, post before and after photos, or give monthly awards for the best 5S zone. Let's look at a quick example. At a small electronics plant, tools were scattered across benches. Workers spent nearly 10 minutes per task just looking for parts. After implementing 5S, tools were color-coded and labeled. Visual floor markings were added. Result: 15% increase in productivity, 25% fewer defects, and happier workers. That's the power of small changes done consistently. 5S isn't just for factories. It works everywhere. In hospitals, nurses use 5S to organize surgical tools. In offices, teams use it to manage digital files and shared spaces. Even at home, you can apply 5S to your closet or kitchen. Because ultimately, 5S is about respect for people and respect for the workplace. So that's 5S, 5 simple steps to transform chaos into clarity. Remember, sort what you need, set it in order, shine it every day, standardize the best way, and sustain the culture. Start small, stay consistent, and you will be amazed at how much smoother your work and life can become. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more lean and productivity insights, and share this video with people that might find this video helpful. Now this is the end of this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, improvement begins with the smallest steps.